So you mean tell me these ain't you?
Leave it alone.
These ain't you? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Crip back with another video. I just went and got my hair cut. Know what I'm talking about? Yes, sir. Looking all crispy. But yeah, as you see her reaction on the last video, it was kind of funny. So I feel like I want to do another prank back to back. So we supposed to be going out to eat and just vlog as she think. But I went into the store and bought these right here. I'm gonna throw them back there in the back seat somewhere. I'm trying to make it look good. And my charge back there, I'm gonna tell her to pass me my charge and whatnot. And I'm gonna see how she react from there. Wait for her to come out. There she go. This finna be funny, y'all. I need y'all to go ahead, subscribe, like all that, cause we finna get a big nasty angry reaction to her. Alright, here she goes. Say what up to the channel, man.
Why you recording?
Say what up to the channel, man.
What's
Say what
up?
up to it, man.
What you recording for?
You finna vlog, bro. We finna go out to eat.
We vlogging today?
Yep.
What's up, MC Gang?
She ain't know how to say it. She be in the gang all along.
I'm so hungry.
You
It
go out
took
to eat?
forever with your haircut. Dang.
Might have to get me crispy. Crispy.
What we vlogging about?
Yeah, whatever you want to talk about.
What's up with it?
Hey man, y'all want to do any other challenges or whatnot? Just comment them down in the under the video. We gonna try to get them done for you. You know what I'm talking about?
Y'all, he made me so mad about the last video. Ooh, I thought we finna break up for real, y'all.
Got to tell.
Y'all send me some DMs in my Instagram what pranks y'all doing, because I'm getting him back for that. Why all these cars there?
Boy, pack this mug up now. You must have them referral.
Why you got your seatbelt on? Put your seatbelt on.
I don't put seatbelt on. I don't drive reckless.
They say Clarksdale police. It probably was. Yeah, I got so much stuff to do next week, because you know it's Valentine's Day. I gotta get my hair did. I gotta get my toe did, my nails did. Gotta find my outfit. Because he claimed he taking me somewhere. Where you taking me?
What about all that?
I don't like surprises. It take too long.
Well,
Then I gotta take my hair down this week. I just got a whole lot of stuff to do.
better get prepared.
Huh?
Better get prepared.
I need to find somebody to help me take my hair down. Who else hate when y'all get braids and then y'all don't like taking your hair down? It takes forever.
What'd you get it for?
It's a
Where your
protective
real
style.
hair? You see the real hair.
It's a
Where your
protective
real
style for. I had these braids in too long now.
You wear your real hair, you won't have to worry about taking down. Just stay up all as long as you want to.
You just don't understand because you're a
favor, man.
female.
Pay me that charge back there.
What?
Pay me that charge back there.
A charger.
My charge is my phone, man. I need to charge my phone.
What is it?
Right there.
What is it?
Gotta be yours, bro. Bro, you don't probably be in the car, but it gotta be yours. Don't even act brand new, bro.
A size 2X though? Chris, don't play with me.
Bro, it gotta be yours, bro.
These are not mine. Why would I have these in your car? You know like what? These ain't mine.
It gotta be yours. Unless somebody jumped in my car while we was at nighttime while I was asleep or something.
Chris, I'll give you 5 seconds to tell me who these is.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, yours.
Chris, stop playing with me. Who it is?
They yours.
These are not mine. Why would I have a 2X size drawers in your car? Come on now. I ain't even that big.
Told you, I don't know. They gotta be yours. You probably put them in there trying.
A 2X though, Chris. A 2X.
I don't know what size it is. I ain't know that back there.
Alright,
I
bro.
just told my
Whatever, bro.
time.
Alright. I got time for shit.
What you got time for?
I ain't leave me alone.
You started playing
Just
with
take
like
me
that,
home. I
yours.
don't even want to go out to eat no more. Take me home. Nasty. I don't know why I touched
they
the
at, bro?
things anyway.
What they at?
You know, sanitize some in this car. I threw them back down. I ain't finna keep touching them things. I don't know who thing in the mill.
Oh, let me get these.
What you trying to get them for?
Cause they're yours.
Y'all might not mind.
Bro, I seen these hoes in your job, bro. Stop lying, man.
A 2X, Chris.
Bro,
I'm not that big. Stop touching. I don't know the
Bro.
thing clean. Them clean.
are they clean?
Bro, don't put that in my face no more. Stop playing me like I'm stupid, bro. I'm God.
Bro, get your underwear, bro. I'm just playing, bro. Get him, bro. Get him, bro. I'm finna throw him out, bro. Get him. Get him.
Chris, leave me alone. You can throw me out, do whatever you want. Just take me home. I don't even want to go out to eat no more.
Bro, I done drove out
Take
with
me
clean.
home.
I drove out with clean
Take me
for no
home.
reason, bro.
Take me home.
Take you nowhere. You can go eat. Well, I'm gonna eat. You gonna sit there and watch me eat. Cause you know that was your job. Trying to act like they ain't you.
Leave me alone.
Cause I know you ain't finna cry.
Leave me alone. Cause you just leave me alone. Oh God, leave me
You
alone.
finna cry,
Leave
dude.
me alone.
Do you know that yours?
Them are not mine. Why would I have them in your car? I don't even get dressed in your car. That's why I have a room for.
Cause stop capping. You do get dressed in
No,
my
I
car.
do not.
So
No
you
time
got
I get
my
dressed in your
car.
car and I put a jacket on. Yeah, a jacket.
Hey, you capping.
But who finna put some drawers on in your car?
You. You got that yours, but I don't know who it is. If that ain't yours, then I don't know. Somebody must hop in my car last night.
That's big.
How much?
That's big.
How much, bro?
That's big.
How much? What we bidding on? I got 100 yours.
We got 100. You finna be single because I don't even want to be with you no more.
Bro, that your job.
Alright, bro.
Bro, come on, bro. We vlog. What you doing? Bro, she wanna get mad cause her drawers up in here and she don't remember putting them in there. Who does it? Bro, come on, bro. What you doing?
Stop touching me. Alright, leave me alone.
Got me dry. You wanna go eat though?
I just told you. No, I been told you to take me home.
Bro, I'm already in Cleveland now.
I don't care. You're like shot from Cleveland that far.
I ain't finna turn around. You finna go eat or you gonna sit there watch me eat? Which one?
I'm staying in the car. You can eat, do whatever you want. I don't even care. My seatbelt on.
Bro, good. I don't pay them no draws though. They
Yeah,
yours though.
you
Let me look.
lucky.
You see, bro?
Touch your own. Boy, you better leave me alone. I swear to God.
Bro, pay them no draws, bro.
Nah.
This shit look, bro. Oh. There they go. So you mean tell me they ain't yours? Got folks looking at me crazy, bro. These ain't yours. These hers ain't it? I know they hers. These yours.
Stop putting that in my face.
Cause they yours.
Stop playing with me, Chris. Dang.
Bro, stop. Bro, you know they yours.
Chris, stop
They
playing
yours.
with me. Stop playing with me.
What you gonna do? They yours, they
Stop
yours.
playing with me, bro. Stop playing with me.
Tell me these ain't yours.
Leave me alone.
These ain't yours. What you crying for over your own drawers? And you don't remember you put them in here. You feel cry? Man, it's a prank, bro. It's a prank, bro. I bought these from Walmart, bro. I bought these from Walmart, bro. Dang. I bought these from Walmart, man.
Okay.
Over here finna cry for, man. I just
Not
thought I
finna
bought these
cry.
brand new drawers. I don't even know who drawers these is. Straight from the factory. Brand new out of Walmart.
Alright, Chris.
You mad? We almost finna eat now. You don't finna get back happy. I know you love eating. Hello. Go, you see me talking to you. These brand new. They brand new, bro. For real talk, this a prank, bro. Alright.
Alright.
I got you again. Got you again. Back to back, back to back, back to back, back to back to back. Yes, sir. Like Keith Law said. You don't believe it's a prank, but it's a prank, man. Go ahead and make sure y'all like up the video, man. Spam it up, bro. I almost was single for a minute, bro. So y'all gotta make sure y'all gonna like, comment, subscribe, bro. Share this, bro. Make sure you tell a friend to subscribe to our channel, bro. We trying to go up from here, bro. All 2020, bro.